Welcome back to another video. Make sure I smash the like button. Just do that. I really would appreciate it. For real. None to Matt. Anyway, it's free to like. It's free to leave a like. Damn. The client came in. Client was, you feel me, a little hesitant. New client at that. But she wanted pretty much starter locks. But then she also wanted a protective style as well. She was actually attending a wedding, so she wanted kind of like a cool little look, whatever the case, something comfortable, but her style. So she showed me this kind of picture video that basically has the same style she ended up getting, barrel braids to the back, and so this was the outcome. Obviously, it's super sleek, super stylish. She probably got about 100 locks in her head. They're very skinny, but they will grow thick. That's just how locks are. When you start them off this way, it will thicken up. They might even be kind of chunky a little bit. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Stay tuned to see the growth.